Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and even create. Welcome to the fascinating universe of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing facts that make AI one of the most exciting and transformative technologies of our time. So, buckle up, because you're about to discover how AI is reshaping our lives in ways you never imagined. What is AI? First things first, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is everywhere. But how does it work? Let's break it down. The history of AI. Did you know that the concept of AI dates back to the 1950s? The term artificial intelligence was coined at a conference at Dartmouth College in 1956. Fast forward to today, and AI has evolved dramatically, leading to breakthroughs in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. This journey is nothing short of incredible. Fascinating facts about AI. Now, let's dive into some fascinating facts you might not know about AI. 1. AI is learning every day. AI systems learn and improve from data. For instance, Netflix uses AI algorithms to analyze viewing habits and recommend shows tailored just for you. 2. AI in healthcare. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately and even predicting patient outcomes. Some AI systems can analyze medical images with remarkable precision. 3. AI and creativity. Yes, you heard it right. AI is creating music, art, and even writing stories. Programs like OpenAI's GPT-3 can generate human-like text, while others can compose symphonies. 4. AI in everyday life. From smart home devices to customer service chatbots, AI is making our lives easier and more efficient. Have you ever wondered how Google Maps predicts traffic? That's AI in action. 5. The Turing Test. Proposed by Alan Turing in 1950, this test measures a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to a human. Some AI systems are getting so good that they are passing the Turing test. The future of AI. What does the future hold for AI? Experts predict that AI will continue to evolve, leading to even more sophisticated technologies. We could see advancements in autonomous vehicles, personalized education, and AI-driven climate solutions. However, with great power comes great responsibility. We must address ethical concerns and ensure AI is used for the greater good. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary force that's changing our world. From enhancing healthcare to transforming how we interact with technology, the possibilities are endless. So, what do you think about AI? Is it a friend or a foe? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe,